Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another Python practice video breakdown. Today, I am going to be doing the week of September the 11th, but the medium coding challenge. Let's go ahead and get started with the instructions. So the instruction is to write a function, add grade, that takes parameters of student grades, student, and then grade. And it says the student grade is actually a dictionary. The parameter for student is a string, and the grade will be an integer. The function should add the grade to the student's list of grades in the dictionary and then return the updated dictionary. And then they give us an example of the student's grade dictionary. As you see, it has the student names as the key, and then it has the grades in the list as integers. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution down here. As you can see, I already created the function add grade, and it does take in those three parameters. So let's remove paths and get some logic in here. So as you see, we will be working with a dictionary. So inside that dictionary, we want to grab that student's name and then append the new grade that is passed. So let's grab the dictionary first, which is called students' grades. So we'll say students' grades, and then inside we want the student as the key. So we're going to say student, and that'll tell us which student to append that new grade to. So then we will append, because the student's value is already a list. With list, to add a new value inside that list, we have to use the append method. So we're going to grab that key and we're going to append to the list. So now we're going to append, and we're going to append that new grade there. And I believe that is it for this one. Let me look through it one more time. So we're grabbing the dictionary, and inside the dictionary, we want to grab the student's name as that key. And then for the list value, we're going to add another grade into it. And then they want us to return that same dictionary at the bottom after the update. So let's go ahead and return that here, which is student grades. Okay. So when we run this, we should see where the Alice key is. We now should see the values of 90, 85, and 78 because I'm adding 78 into Alice's list of grades. So let's go ahead and run this down here in our console and see what happens. Fingers crossed. Let's go Python 3, and we'll feed in the file name, which is medium, not an E, M-E. And no, we have a key error. Let's see. Why do we have a key error? Oh, because I spelled Alice lowercase. So you know what? Let's go ahead and put a condition for if someone does forget to uppercase it, it won't give us an error. So let's put that condition here now. So we'll say if student, so if the student is not inside of that dictionary, it won't throw an error. It'll just say student not found or something. So if it's not in there, not in, we'll return student, now let's do a string, return student not found. Okay, so that'll catch it in case someone like me puts a lowercase student, it'll catch that. So if that happens, now we will have something to catch that. But if the student is in there, it will append it. So now let's do another condition with the correct uppercase A in it and see if we can get both conditions to show. Okay, so now the first one should print student not found, because we put a condition for if that student is not in the dictionary. And then this one should now show the updated value in the dictionary. So let's run it again down here and see what happens. And there you have it. Wait, let me clear this out so you can see it better. Oh, Lord. Okay, so now we have it. When I entered in the wrong value at the top, it is now catching that the student is not there, and it's going to return student not found. But when I changed it to the correct value, as you can see, it added that 78 into the list that belongs to Alice. So everything is working good here. Let me know how you guys went about solving it. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.